I'm telling you that you have something in your pocket that's accompanying you. It's been accompanying you in your pocket through every desire, through every place that you've been, which is this ultimate desire, which is to be like the Creator, to control the forces of nature, to take his place. This is actually what the Creator wants. He wants us to do what we want to do, of course, in a way that is not egoistic. We need to perform a little switch here. And by studying the wisdom of Kabbalah, this desire remains, but the intention upon it, like why we're doing it, why we need to realize it, is changing. So there's a force in this study in the wisdom of Kabbalah that changes that. And then I am able to really manage creation. Now, will I be able to thought manifest anything that I want in reality? I don't think there's anyone silly enough to think that from this broadcast, you were going to manifest a Mercedes in your front yard right after. Okay, obviously, if we're talking about changing the whole reality, it's a serious study. And so gradually, there's a powerful reforming light in the study of Kabbalah that does make it possible for you to align with the upper force, thus taking his place, and in doing so, giving him fulfillment, making him have contentment. Because he, like a loving parent that doesn't want to keep you a child, actually wants you to become like him. You're a doctor, so you want your son to become a doctor, your daughter to become a doctor. So the Creator wants you to be like him, managing the forces of reality through thought, through desire, and it'll be your real desire though, meaning thinking like he thinks, desiring like he desires, and then seeing how you need to manifest reality around you and in your own life. So with that, you have much study ahead of you. If you want to learn to do this, it's something that Kabbalists learned how to do, are able to do, and according to their spiritual advancement on this path, they take the place of the Creator more and more. So we're in the beginning stages of this. We learn how to change ourselves internally, gradually, bit by bit, so that we completely invert from exactly how I am now to being something very different, to being like the Creator.